Cal, Jace, and Eric, and Lauren back here, Perry Hill Farms. Sunday after church, we're out here trying to fix this electric fence that's on the hog pen. They've torn it down. We tried that yellow poly wire or whatever, and if the fence ever gets cut off, they just chew on it. And we never had that problem with electric fence. They might break the insulators, but they couldn't chew through that metal, and they wouldn't chew on that metal. So we're gonna go back with a standard, 18 gauge, 16 gauge, 14 gauge, whatever it is, electric fence, metal. And we're gonna fix some of the insulators in here and stretch the fence in here. It needs to be fixed. So it's hot, it's humid, it's not the most enjoyable job, but when you have animals, you gotta take care of them. You don't want these things getting out. Cow's different. Most of the time you can get a cow back in, but a hog's hard. They're stubborn, and if they get out, it's hard to get them back in. So you want to make sure you keep your electric fence working, up to date. So that's what we're trying to do. We just fed them, try to feed them where maybe they'll
better get going,
get their stomachs full, and leave us alone for a little while. But Dad's just taking the old wire off right now, and we're gonna get in here and get the new wire on. So we'll see how this goes.
The moment of truth, we're seeing if it's gonna work or not. This is our second shot at it. I see you, Colonel. Oh, wait. I see you. I do. Okay. I see you. Is it working, fellas? Briar has the right idea. He's hidden over there in the shade. It is hot today.
Go get that fence thing out of Uncle Gary's golf cart.
Oh yeah, you're talking about the ground thing. Might go over here and be watering the rabbits while you go get her dry, get ready to get there. Maybe it is, I don't know. You walk back around it, trying to see if it's touching anywhere. It looks like they know it's hot. Yeah, she just touched it and backed up.
Mm-hmm.
It's clicking on the grounding rod.
Jace is testing the voltage, I think.
Here, son. Wait just a minute. Watch this right here.
Stumpy's got an idea.
He's gonna entice him to be shocked.
Mm. Let's see.
They touch it? Yeah, was it here? Oh yeah, they'd be shocked by now. Get back, Briar. Just a minute, son. When?
Let's see. Who's gonna be the brave pig?
They're at 6.
One of their ears is touched, but
So it has to hit some. Has to be on there long enough to pulse it, I think. can tell they don't want to touch it. Oh yeah, yeah.
It scared me.
Alright. Soaking wet, hot, muddy. It's fixed now. We got it fixed. One of them touched it when we hooked it up and it electrocuted them. It was touching, when we first hooked it up, it was touching a pole and causing a ground, and Uncle Eric seen it, and so we unplugged it and got it off the pole, plugged it back up, and we put our fence tester through it down the fence, and it's reading strong all the way around. So it's hot. One of them touched it, got zapped, so they know it's back on. They know not to be digging under the fence anymore. And, you know, maybe that'll keep them deterred for a little bit longer. One of these piggies is going to freezer camp Wednesday. I'm gonna be here, and me and the twins are gonna knock one in the back of the head. If y'all know anything about the South, it's college football. Alabama starts Saturday, so we have to start it off with a bang. We're gonna smoke one of these pigs in that nice smokehouse that we built, and it's gonna be good. We're gonna kill the fatted pork. We're gonna kill the fatted pork. Play on words right there. But we ready for some football, and we ready to eat one of these pigs, and we're gonna let y'all know how that goes. But anyway, we're gonna get out of here on this Sunday. We gotta go back to church tonight. It's gonna be baptism night tonight. We got a couple folks getting baptized tonight, so it's always good to support your brothers and sisters in Christ. So we're gonna get out of here. Always remember, like and subscribe, and a simple life is a much more enjoyable life.